Carolina coop. It's pretty cool. When I saw it, I said, oh, I have to have one of those. So I went ahead and built one. And here we are. And, if you want to build one of these chicken coops, I did board and batten on mine. You could do lap siding, horizontal lap siding. You could do wood shingles on here. You could just do bare plywood with no battens on it. Those are some options you could do for the coop. So this is the hen house. It's 4 feet by 6 feet. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you the inside. Pretty simple. You open up these 2 doors. There's a 3rd door down here. So this opens up like so. One of the benefits of this hen house is that it has this deep litter method, which is very beneficial. You only have to clean it out. I'm going to go 3 months probably on wood chips in here, and some go longer. And when you want to clean this out, you're ready to go. This door folds down all the way down to here, like so. Bring your wheelbarrow, your rake, you rake it out into the wheelbarrow, and easy enough. So these are the roost bars I did. There are 2x4 that are ripped down to 3 inches and then just sanded down the corners here to make them safe for the chickens to eat. They're 6-foot roost bars, so to do chicken math, if you want to know how many chickens this can hold, it would be 12. A chicken every foot, so 2 roost bars at 6 feet would be 12 chickens. I'm probably going to do like 14 in here. I have 6 now, and I'll do, I'm going to get another 6 to 8 next summer. And these are my Rhode Island Reds. Happy chickens, lucky chickens. So this is an egg laying hutch. I have 2 of these. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you what's inside. This is already attached. So this egg laying hutch is roughly almost 4 feet wide. There's three sections here for 3 chickens. This is designed to all come out. All these pieces come out so you can clean it. So I think I can do it here. So you pull this out, boom, this out, and then you can clean this out. This will unscrew too, and if need be, or if you just want it open. I'm going to put hay in here eventually. My chickens are young, so they're not laying yet, but I'm going to throw some hay in here soon. But yeah, so notch them out so it stays in there. Put these little in there to hold it. This just goes in like so. Simple enough. Here's the egg laying hutches from the inside. So this is where they're going to be laying their eggs in here. Just wanted to show you that from the inside. Built this little roost bar here so they can jump in here. Helps them get in there and maybe jump up here to there. So down here we got a pressure treated foundation. These are 4x4. 4x4 pressure treated material all the way around the whole base of the foundation. And then if you see here, there's a wire fencing that's it's 2x3 grid here, and it's 2 feet wide, and it's stapled to the bottom of the foundation here. And you want to go 2 feet out because animals aren't going to start 2 feet out and try to dig underneath the chicken coop. They're going to try to dig here, so all you need is 2 feet. And this will deter all animals from getting to your chickens. This stuff's really expensive, but well worth it. You'll never have to re-roof it. This is lifetime guaranteed. So the whole chicken coop would collapse, and this would still be here pretty much. That's basically what I'm saying. So it's also really nice looking, I think. I think it's much nicer looking than shingles, asphalt shingles. It's pre-painted. I think it makes the chicken coop pop. It's a really nice upgrade if you have the money to do the metal roof. I painted my chicken coop to match my house white and gray. I hope you like my red chicken coop door. I think it's pretty neat. I'm gonna go ahead and let the chickens out. I'm gonna go inside and show you around. So this is the watering system I made here. It's gravity fed watering system. There's a 5-gallon bucket that's outside. I fill it with water, and I got all this stuff at Home Depot. I'll show you some close-ups here. And basically that's this. There's a hose that comes down. It's actually a washer and dryer hose that comes down to this PVC. I think this was 2-inch PVC. And then I installed these drippers here, and I just want to reiterate or just mention that it's very important that do not buy these on Amazon. You want to buy these from a reputable company. Don't buy these if they're Chinese made, because what will happen is you'll install them and they'll just keep dripping, and it'll drain your water reservoir, and you won't know your chickens don't have water, and they could possibly die if you're gone or not around when that happens. So these ones I got actually off the Carolina Coop website, and I think they're actually made in like Sweden or something, but I've had no issues with them. They've been here for 2 months, and they work great. Chicken just peck on them, the water comes out. Yeah, that's really important. You won't. I tried. I got the cheap ones. They don't work. I tried. So don't do it. And yeah, so this is the awesome watering system. No maintenance. I fill this reservoir up probably every 3 weeks. I check it every week or so, but yeah, it goes about 3 weeks. Highly recommend doing one of these. So I hand made all these windows. There's 4 of these windows. It has a non-yellowing plexiglass on it. There's better products, but this is what I chose because I didn't want to spend a ton of money on it. It's just a chicken coop. But yeah, they just open up pretty simple. I have hardware cloth on the inside to keep critters out. These are all built out of redwood. Simple enough. So here's the side window. All these windows are made out of redwood. Pretty cool. I'm gonna put some kind of latch on these. I just finished this coop. There's a few little things I have to do, but I'm gonna put some kind of latch on here to hold the windows up, so when it gets hot in here, I can, keep these windows open. But easy enough. I've seen them from $50 to $300 for these feeders. This thing costed me, I think, maybe 20 bucks, but basically I bought the 5-gallon bucket, and a lot of people have these laying around. You probably wouldn't even need to buy one. And then you buy these, and then you get a hole saw and you drill the holes to install these. When you buy these, it tells you the size to drill, and then you just put them where you like and fill it up with feed. And this thing lasts about 3 weeks for my 6 chickens, so it's pretty cool. Cheap DIY little project if you have chickens. Save you some money. So this material here is 1/2-inch hardware cloth. It's coated and it's welded, coated 1/2-inch hardware cloth. Pretty nice little product, really clean looking. You can cover this up if you want to fully weatherize your chicken coop with some kind of plexiglass if you like, to cover this. I'm not going to do it, but that's another option you can do here. This chicken coop also, everything was pocket screwed, which is pretty cool. If you look all in here, all this, it's all throughout the whole coop. yeah, pretty cool.
So this is a carabiner, and there you see here, there's a hole here, and I guess raccoons can open these. They're smart enough to open these, and so you throw this through the hole here, and there's no way to open it. Chickens are safe.
So why did I build a chicken coop? So I built this chicken coop because I wanted something for longevity, something that would be here 30 years from now. That would actually add value to my property. I wanted something that was kind of a work of art. It's called the Carolina Coop. It's pretty cool. When I saw it, I said, oh, I have to have one of those. So I went ahead and built one, and here we are. But yeah, you better have all your ducks in a row to build one of these. There's just a lot of moving parts to it. There's a lot of pieces. There's a lot of different kinds of materials that that you have to get to build one of these. And it's not just carpentry. There's roofing, like for instance the metal roof. There's all the hardware, the wire down on the bottom to keep the critters out, the hardware cloth. You got to build a ramp. You got to do a water feeder. You got to do a chicken feeder. You got to build custom windows. You got to do custom doors on the hen house. You got to build these egg laying hutches, which are not easy to build. These are a project just on their own. I did 2 of these. Just building the actual frame was a project that took a while, and then you have to paint it. I pre-painted everything, and just to make it easier, so when it was installed it was pretty much done. And then yeah, just a lot of work. And then after I installed all this, and then I had to do all the forward bat on it, the battens, and then yeah, it just was a ton of work.